Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm happy you stopped by. Have you subscribed to this channel? If no, please subscribe now and like this video. Today I am speaking on fascinator hair and how to wear a fascinator. Have you ever asked the question if a fascinator will be beautiful with a packed hair, or it will be more beautiful if you let your hair loose? So let's look at this. How to wear fascinator. Customarily, it should be worn on the right hand side of the hair of the head, properly tilted. Like you wear it tilted to your right hand side, or alternatively you wear it on the left hand side, a bit or tilted to the face rather. Yes, you let it come to your face. That is what makes it fascinating. Don't wear it on the center of your head. Yeah, it is not a load. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? This is properly tilted. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you've not subscribed, you're wrong. Kindly subscribe to this channel, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment in the comment section. How do you like your fascinator? Is it on the left or the right, or do you wear it on the center of your head? I'd love to hear from you. What's your comment as it relates to how you should carry your hair? Should you fly it or should it be packed? What's your opinion? Let me hear from you. So look at this fascinator. If you watch earlier on, my hair was flying and I wore it. There was no beauty, but as soon as I packed my hair, the beauty of the fascinator came out. So when you have a loud, or should I say fascinating, or should I say a busy headwear, yes, not just fascinator, even if it's a hat, when the hat is busy or the fascinator is busy, do well to pack your hair. You cannot have a busy hair and a busy fascinator. One of it should be organized while the other one is loud. One of it should be quiet while the other should be loud. Look at this design. The fascinator is busy, so she packed her hair. Same here, very busy fascinator, you packed your hair. But when you have a very simple fascinator or hat, you let your hair loose. So again, I tell you, wear your fascinator to the right hand side or to the left hand side, to the left or to the right. Whenever you're wearing a fascinator, just remember my voice saying to the left or to the right. Tilt it to your face. That is what makes it fascinating. Don't forget these tips. Yes, it will make you stand out. Like if you're wearing a hat, please make it stylish. Yeah, add swag to your rocking. You know? Isn't it beautiful like this? Let's see if you wear it on the center. Is this fine? It is not. Please don't try this at home. Endeavor to wear your fascinator to the left or to the right. Don't wear it on the center of your head. It is not fashionable. When next you want to rock a fascinator, please add style. Yes, make it stylish. Wear it with elegance, with all amount of confidence. Look at this unique yet simple design. It's simple. You can let your hair loose. You can pack it if you want. You can loosen the hair. It will still be fine. But please don't do this. Even if you are going to a village church, don't wear a fascinator like this. Okay. Before I forget, you see all these fascinator designs in this video. You can watch the tutorial videos on my channel. So just go into my channel, search for this using my thumbnails. You'll see how I made most of these fascinators and many more. Always visit my channel for more videos like this and tutorial videos. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Thank you. So even if you're wearing a turban, always try to push your hair into the turban, pack it well. I do see people wear turbans and they let their hair loose out here. It doesn't look beautiful in my eye. I don't know about you, because the design of a turban is for you to have your hair all packed in there. If you want your hair to show, you better wear a hat or a fascinator. But when you choose the turban, put your hair inside, arrange it properly, and after all said and done, you push the turban backward, allowing your forehead to show. That is the beauty. If your turban has a design like this one, always remember to tilt the design to the side. Don't carry it on the forehead like a load. Push it back. Your face will come out. You will see the beauty. Whatever headwear you are wearing, wear it with elegance and style. Make it look beautiful so that another person can admire it. Look at this beautiful fascinator. It's simple, so she let her hair loose. This one is simple, she let her hair loose. This is how it should be. But when you have a dramatic piece like this, please pack your hair. This is very simple, so her hair is flying. This is simple too, but she still packed her hair, still fine. This is simple, yet she packed her hair so that the beauty of the work will come out. But when you have a dramatic piece like this one, please pack your hair. This is dramatic. Pack your hair. It is busy and talking already, so you don't allow your hair to compete with the fascinator or the hat. This is dramatic. She packed her hair. This is how it should be. Enable to pack your hair when you have a dramatic piece. But when you have a simple design like this, you let your hair loose. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.